Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's look at flutter action chips. As you see, I have created two action chips. One is action 1 and action 2. So action chips allow you pass in an avatar widget. It's called avatar in the API, but you can pass any widget. So most likely you expect an icon, then also a label for the action, then lastly, which is the function of the button, so a button function. So at this point you can do anything you want by this with using this action. Let's say you want to print out something. Let's say action 1 clicked. So every time we click this action chip, we'll print out that text. Let's try also put it in action 2. Let's try to move these errors. Okay, let's check our console. As you see, action 1 is clicked. Let's click action 2. Action 2 clicked, as you see. So these are our logs that we have been logging every time a person clicks a chip. So there are many more APIs you can pass on here to the style a action. You can style a text, which is the label. You can put an elevation of, let's say, 2 or 3. You can also put a tooltip, border size, outline border, autofocus, background color. All those you can use them, but the only required inputs are widget and the function of the action chip. Action chips offer actions related to primary content. They should appear dynamically and contextually in a UI. An alternative to action chips are buttons, which should appear persistently and consistently. So action chips can be good in your UIs. So in case you have a completed UI that has little space and you don't want to use the buttons, which are always bigger than these chips, you can use these action chips. They are good and they are easy to use. So guys, thank you for watching on this video. See you next time. Please subscribe.